baon ko yung mga tanong na hahasa sa ating isip. Ako si Marlo at ito ang Knowledge on the Go! And ang aking mga kasamang on-the-go player for today is, what's her name? Pauleen. Pauleen, anong grade ka na?
Grade 7.
Grade 7. At ano ang iyong favorite subject?
English.
English. Bakit?
I just think that English is very important because it helps us converse from different people.
Tama yan. Kasi nga naman, English is our universal language. So, it's very important indeed. Okay, sana English ang makuha mo. Roll the dice. Science! So, favorite mo din ba subject na science?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, good luck sa'yo. Bumunot ka muna ng question mo. Okay. Bago ko tatanungin, Pauleen, go na ba mag-knowledge on the go?
Go.
Go na si Pauleen. At ito ang question, go for you. What do you call a homogeneous mixture where one substance has dissolved the other? Letter A, suspension. B, solution. C, synthesis. Or letter D, colloid.
B.
B, solution. Sure ka na ba? Okay, ang tamang sagot, Pauleen, ay letter B, solution. Alam mo ba?
An example of a solution is salt water. Mixing water and salt dissolves the salt in the liquid.
Kaya dahil nakuha mo ang tamang sagot, meron kang prize mula sa Knowledge on the Go. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Ayan. O, di ba, napakasaya nga naman talaga matuto. At tulad nga ni Pauleen, talagang pinatunayan niya na favorite subject niya ang English dahil walang kahirap-hirap na sagot niya ang aking tanong. Kaya samahan niyo ulit ako next time. Ako po si Marlo at ito ang Knowledge on the Go!